Around here we build it, we don't buy it. Y'all stay tuned to Shockley Build. It's all Shockley done. Y'all have a good day. Morning, everybody. A nice, beautiful, but cold Alabama Friday. It's Friday, April the 2nd. I was able to get off. I got off early last night. Able to get about 4 hours sleep this morning. It's feeling good, but it's cold. It's probably about 37, 38 degrees here. Nice little cold spout. Just got through opening the gates up. Hopefully, I'm gonna get the transit out. I'm gonna get the figure out exactly the height of those stakes, so that when I go to digging the footing, I can get back hit hard ground, or original ground, undisturbed land, ground. And I'm hoping that won't take me but about an hour and a half at the most, and I'm gonna get that dozer out. We're gonna see what that thing will do. We're gonna scrape off some topsoil, get all this kind of scraped off to the side, and see what we can get done. Been looking forward to this. It's gonna be a big day, big weekend, because I got Sunday night off, so I got today. I got to work tomorrow, but I got today, I got Sunday, and I got Monday for a good bit of the day to get a lot done. See just how good a dozer it is. See what we can get done. Hopefully, I should be able to get that building pad level pretty quick, and then start working on the parking lot. Maybe by Sunday afternoon, have the pad for the building done, and then just start working on this all this topsoil and parking lot, getting it all right, getting it to where the water don't flow right into the building. Some more good news. I got contacted, and on Wednesday we found out that I got my building scheduled for delivery. 2 weeks, April the 14th. It's gonna be a good little day. I got a telehandler, what I call a lull. I got it reserved and picked up on that day before, on the 13th, and get it. Let me see if I can get this sun out of my eyes and not in y'all's eyes. Let's see. That's decent. Not as good a backdrop, but that's decent. So hopefully we're gonna be able to unload that building closer than I wanted. You know, maybe, I don't know, I may still put it up at the back of the pasture, up there close to the shop. It's awful heavy stuff. They'd have to drive up to it, and them dogs would go crazy if anybody got up to it, so I don't feel too bad about it being up there. But that's where we're at. So let's go get the Pioneer with the transit, and write down some numbers, get it a lot better, get a reference point that I know I'm not going to disturb, and go from there. All right, it's gonna be a good day. I'll get back with y'all here in just a little bit. All right, that was a long day. Got 9 hours on that dozer. Well, that thing's worse than a skid steer. So, first time really using a dozer to mount to anything. I didn't do too bad. Had to transit out. Had it set up. Started trying to get some more of this topsoil off right here. Get the rest of this topsoil off. Got to pull a bunch of this dirt out for that side, and the lean-to I'm putting in the back. A little bit for that corner of the building right there. So here's where we're at. That gate's acting. The wind's got that gate. So fairly level right through here. Corner of the building's right about here. The other one's right there. You can see the stake. So about 2/3 thereabouts, maybe, yeah, oh, well over half is level according to that laser transit. So that corner over there, we got to pull a bunch of dirt in, push some of this back down. It's a little bit high right back here. It's back behind where the concrete is, but it's still, I'm on it about level for about another 20-25 foot, somewhere in that range. We're all gonna put a lean-to on the back of the shop at some point, a little shed. I'd like to put 2 containers at the back to be with the back wall of it, and then have the roof just come from the building over to the top of that. I don't know yet what if I'll do that or not. We'll just have to wait and see. That old dozer is, man, it's rough on your old body. If I was a young man, it probably wouldn't do that, would it? But here's where we're at. Like I said, it's been about 9 hours. I'm beat. It's getting closer. Maybe by the end of the day Sunday, I'll have a level pad for the concrete. Start digging the footings and forming it up. But we'll just have to wait and see. So all we can do is hope. Well, that's about it for this. You can tell I'm tired, I guess. I'll try to get this done tonight if I don't fall asleep when I get home. Get this edited, and if not tonight, tomorrow. We'll probably post tomorrow night. I got one posting tonight, the first video for this. Posts automatically tonight. Already got it edited and uploaded. I'm starting to learn a little bit about this YouTube, slowly but surely. I don't know. It was a slow start trying to figure out how that dozer does, and well, any dozer really, I guess, but for that one for sure, everyone's gonna be different. Pretty sure. I know all like backhoes I've used, all skid steers I've used are just, they all have a little bit different. We got okay, I'll show you this. We got the driveway topsoil off, finished getting it off. All the way to the gate, really past the gate really, but we're gonna go ahead and spread some gravel out right here, all the way to the gate, go from there. Man, I'm tired. All right, that's it for the day. I'll throw the time lapse in too, and that way you can see it. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about it. We're getting there, slowly but surely. Y'all have a good day. Remember, build it, don't buy it. Just remember, it's hard on your whole body. See y'all.